Oh, she got my finger in front of the camera. What's going on, y'all? Well, we got her back together. That's a scorched titanium chassis, Hobbywing 1650 kV Max 6. That is a servos, well, the new pro version of the servo. It's a bad dude, by the way. Cheapo, $35, and you get a beast of a servo. CNHL lipo, of course, and M2C bracing, M2C drive shafts, M2C chassis support, M2C bulkheads, front and rear, or shock towers, front and rear. I'm not ready to run the hell out right now, guys. I'm just brand new 6S backflips, Kraton XL. Just seeing how she's going to hold together for me. Little maiden voyage here to see if she's good and get the steering trimmed out. But she's pulling right now really bad. She's driving straight now. I haven't touched the ESC, no adjustment. I set the all the endpoints and stuff on it, or not the endpoints, but the thing's still pulling bad that way. There she goes. Now she looks to be driving straight. But I didn't turn the punch or nothing like that up, so I'm getting at. This is fresh out the bag. QS8 connector. She seems to be back to her spunky old self. So we're gonna pause this one, y'all. I'm gonna play around for a second, but we're gonna get this thing out and really send it, see it she can take. Scorched titanium chassis. The other thing is 3DRC front supports. We got that one, ain't even been out yet. Look at that Bash King, boy. Arrma Skins UK, guys, check them out. I'll leave a link in the description, but these things are just beautiful and they keep your chassis looking nice. All RPM arms around it. This thing's fully built from the hilt. I think the only thing left on it's got hot racing steering bell cranks, Basher Queen servo mount, M2C ESC plate, Basher Queen center to center, or tower to tower, M2C top plate, all aluminum holders. This thing's built to the hilt, guys, top to bottom built, like literally. I don't think the only thing stock left on it might be some links and the shocks. It's about all the stock left on this thing. Center differentials, RC all-wheel drive. Let's get a look at that in there. Show you that too. The whole center diff is oh, you can't really see it, the red center diff in there, but it's in there. RC all-wheel drive, metal cased center differential. So I'll let you know how that thing holds up. But yeah, there's a rundown of what she is, boys, and we'll get back blasting this thing off fat real soon. Y'all, one other thing to add to that, we got the M2C hinge pin holders, locking hinge pin holders, front and rear, maybe not in front yet. Nope, that's one stock part left too. Front hinge pin holders. Back ones are definitely locked in. All right, I think that's it. If anything else comes up, I'll be back. Man, y'all, I don't know what the hell's going on with this thing, but I'm pretty sure I was just going to shut it off. I drove it up and down my driveway a couple times like I just showed you in the video. Nothing hard, nothing crazy. I'm pretty sure I just seen this fucking ESC smoke, so we're about to find out if another one just burned up. And I swear to God, if it did, dude, something's got to give, because there's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with the batteries. It's a brand new lipo, brand new everything. ESC, oh man, if it did it again, I swear to God. Well, y'all, when it rains, it pours. I seen some smoke come out of this thing when I just shut it off, and apparently, I think it's the servo. I did end up plugging the ESC back in. It came on. I had the servo unplugged, and it had power. Plugged the servo into another rig just in case, because I didn't want to burn this up to a real not expensive ESC. Probably not the best way to test it. But it powered up, and it only turned one way and wasn't turning back right the other way and her stuff right. And I do smell a little funny smell in here. So I think my pro version of this just burnt up, honestly. And it might even be, think this was a new one, but I thought I changed all the electronics out. But if I didn't, this might have been what killed my last Max 6. Because I plugged it in, went up smoke. Thank God I didn't just burn another one up. But we're going to make sure, regardless, this thing's coming out and the new one's going in. But just wanted to tell y'all what's happening. Sorry I can't get her out and send her to the moon yet. Gotta make sure all systems are go before we destroy this thing again. Them ESCs are getting rather expensive. I got 2 Max 4s at Hobbywing right now. Oh, don't even talk about it. 2 Max 4s. Yeah. Oh boy. Come on, truck. Arrma Skins UK, y'all. Check them out. Get you one of those, boy. Bash King. That thing's bad. You ain't doing something you love, y'all. You're doing something wrong. Happy Father's Day to everybody out there.